Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into DataStage Configuration Files, the unsung heroes of parallel processing. Think of them as the blueprint for how jobs are executed efficiently. They define the resources, nodes, and performance parameters to get the best out of our system. Without a well-designed configuration file, our processes would be slow and chaotic, much like a traffic jam during rush hour. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Why do we even need configuration files? Well, imagine running a marathon without knowing the route. It would be a disaster. These files ensure that jobs are executed efficiently by defining nodes, partitions, and resource distribution. They help scale operations and improve fault tolerance, making sure we don't just run fast but run smart. Parallel processing is like cooking a feast with multiple chefs instead of just one. DataStage splits tasks across nodes, ensuring jobs run concurrently for faster execution. A good configuration file balances resources, making sure no single node is overloaded. The better the setup, the smoother the data processing. Think of it as a perfectly synchronized kitchen. A DataStage configuration file is like assembling a team for a project. Each component plays a role. Nodes are the workers. Resource pools ensure fair workload distribution, disk storage impacts performance, and network settings determine how efficiently data flows. Get these components right, and you'll have a well-oiled machine. All right, folks. Today, we're diving into parallelism. It's like giving your computer a caffeine boost. More worker threads mean faster results, but don't get too excited. Overloading resources is like cramming too many friends into a tiny car. No one enjoys that. Let's talk about how to set up pools efficiently, allocate resources wisely, and dodge those dreaded bottlenecks. Stick with me, and soon, you'll have smooth parallel execution running like a well-oiled machine. Configuration files are the unsung heroes of a stable system. Think of them as the script behind the scenes of a great movie. But without version control, things can go south real quick. We'll talk about keeping configs organized, documenting changes, and designing them like a Lego masterpiece, modular and easy to work with. Oh, and security. We don't want unauthorized edits turning your system into a horror show. Troubleshooting config issues. Welcome to detective mode. Misconfigurations lurk like hidden bugs waiting to cause chaos. We'll learn to spot errors early, leverage debugging tools, and make sure dependencies don't break like a poorly built Jenga tower. Automated error detection is your trusty sidekick, because manually checking configs is as fun as untangling headphone wires. Optimizing performance is like fine-tuning a sports car. We'll learn to adjust parameters, cut down unnecessary processing, and use caching to boost speed, because waiting for slow queries is like watching paint dry. But don't forget, optimization isn't a one-time thing. Monitoring and adjusting over time keeps your system in top shape. Time for some real-world wisdom. We'll walk through a successful case study and highlight common mistakes, because learning from others' failures is way better than making them yourself. Industry experts have great insights, so we'll cover what they swear by. And finally, we'll glimpse into the future, because what's cutting edge today might be outdated tomorrow. And that's a wrap. We've covered best practices, optimization tricks, troubleshooting, and even peered into the future. Remember, good configuration management is like a well-orchestrated symphony. Stick to best practices, stay adaptable, and keep learning. Now go forth and configure wisely. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.